Good morning, students. Today we will start our next topic, that is expanded and compact form. First of all, we will find out the difference between expanded and compact form. In expanded form means to expand. Okay, in expanded form or in expanded notation, a number is written as the sum of the place value of its digit. Suppose we have given a number and we have to find its expanded form. So first of all, what will we do? We will write the place value of each digit in this given number. Okay, अगर आपको कोई गिवन नंबर दिया है और अगर आपने इसकी क्या निकालनी है, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे, आप उसके हर एक डिजिट की प्लेस वैल्यू लिखोगे. ओके, देन यू विल फाइंड आउट इट्स एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. Now in this given number, 2 is on ones place, so you will write 2 ones. 8 on tens place, you will write 8 tens. 7 on hundreds place, so you write 7 hundreds. 4 on thousands place, you will write 4 thousands. 2 on tens place, so you will write 2 10,000. Now 2 ones mean 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 8 tens mean 8 multiplied by 10 equal to 80. 7 hundreds mean 7 multiplied by 100 is equal to 700. 4 thousands mean 4 multiplied by 1000 equal to 4000. 2 10,000 mean 2 multiplied by 10,000 which is equal to 20,000. So this is the expanded form of this given number, and you will find out by writing the each digit place value. Now we will understand this the place value expanded form with the help of these flash cards. Okay, suppose we have given this number. Now how you will write out now 2 on ones place, so you will write 2 ones. Now 8 tens place, so 80. Okay, now 700, so you will write 7 hundreds. Okay, then 4 on thousand place, so this is 4,000. Then 2 on tens place mean 20,000. Okay, this is the expanded form of this given number. Okay, now next we will find out what is the compact form. Compact form means to combine. Okay, in compact form, the sum of the place value of all the digits of a number are combined together. Now what is the difference between expanded and compact form? In expanded form, number is given and you have to write the sum of the place value of its digit. Now in compact form, you have given the sum of the place value of each digit and you have to write the number. ठीक है, कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर्म में आपको क्या दिया होगा, सम दिया होगा हर एक डिजिट की प्लेस वैल्यू का, और आपने उसको प्लस करके क्या निकालना उसकी कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर्म. नाउ देयर आर टू वेज टू फाइंड आउट द कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर्म. वन इज you can find out the sum of each place value, okay, of given digit, or you can learn it by according to the Indian place value chart. Okay, second way is according to the Indian place value chart. Now because we know that according to Indian place value chart, one's place digit has 1 digit, tens place digit has 2 digit, 100 place digit has 3 digit, 1000 place digit has 4 digit, 10,000 place digit has 5 digit, lakhs digit has 6 digit, and 10 lakh has 7 digit. Okay, now because we have given number given, this is the expanded form is given and you have to find the compact form. Because 3 on ones place, it means it has 3 has 1 digit, it means this is on ones place. 32 digit tens place. Now 300 mean 3 digit, that is 100 place. Now next is 4 digit mean 400 place. Then 1000 place. Then 5 digit mean this is on 10,000. So what is the way according to the Indian place value chart? You will write the each leftmost digit of each given place value. Now here is leftmost digit is 3. Here is, you will write 3 here. Next is 6, so you will write 6 here. Next is 3, so you will write 3 here. Next again 3 is there, so you will write 3 here. Then last one is 3, you will write 3 here. Okay, this is according to the Indian प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. और अगर आपने इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं करना है, सो सिंपली यू कैन फाइंड आउट द सम ऑफ ऑल दीज प्लेस वैल्यूज. ओके, देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द गिवन नंबर. ओके, और यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस वाई. ओके, you have given this 30,000, then 6,000, 300, then 30 plus 3. Now how you will find out the sum? Because 30,000 and 6,000 will become 36,000. Now 3 on 100 place, so 3 will come here. Now 30 on tens place, so this 30 will come here, and 3 on ones place, so this is the given number. Okay, now I am assigning you, this is the compact form of this given number. Okay, now I am assigning you some work. You have to write the following number in expanded form. Okay, I have told you what is expanded form. And next question is write in the compact form. Now you have given the each digit place value, you have to write the compact form. You have to add these number, or simply you can write simply add, or you can write according to the Indian place value chart. Okay, thank you.